To be able to track Acuity scheduling conversions, each Acuity scheduling widget must be embedded inside our website as this iframe widget. So this means that whether you use WordPress, Squarespace, something else, you should be able to have the widget inside your website. So for example, in Squarespace, you can use the code blocks, which are actually better than the scheduling blocks. And you just copy paste the code here, and now you have the widget here. So inside Acuity, if we take a look at the scheduling page link, we have a few different versions. The Squarespace version is okay, it works. It's the scheduling block. We can do the scheduling thing. The direct link does not work because this happens outside of our website, in Acuity website, where we cannot track. The booking button doesn't work, and the booking bar doesn't work. These look like they work, but actually on mobile devices, we again leave the website. So the pop-up modal doesn't work on mobile, so these are actually the most problematic because it looks like like our Acuity tracking works, but it doesn't. So the embed other is the one we want to use. All right, so if you have links such as this one, hey, visit our booking thing, and when we click this, we leave our website and go to Acuity, all of these links must be removed, and they must be replaced with a link to a page within our website where we have the Acuity scheduling widget. All right, so far so good, but this leads to a problem, and I have a solution to that problem. So what is the problem? Well, a lot of times there are different calendars, different appointments, different categories, physical locations, and we want to be able to have a link that goes directly into a specific Acuity calendar or an appointment type, for example. All right, so normally these are links such as this one. This is the sports category, exercise session 1 hour, and then we have a link to that one. And now, how can we get a link to this one without linking away from our website where the conversion tracking would stop working? Well, we can make a dedicated Acuity booking page inside our website. So for example, here I made a page with the URL /Acuity all, and this is just the widget showing all of my Acuity widgets. So this is basically, as a starting point, we have the scheduling page link, and this is the embed other showing all of our appointment types. All right, so now we can actually create filtered links into this page. So let's grab the sports link here, the exercise session 1 hour, click direct link, and now we're just gonna grab this part of the URL. Question mark appointment type equals the ID of this exercise session. So here I'm gonna go to a page where I want to add the direct link, edit that one. So here, book sports, 1 hour session, and here I've created this filtered link into the Acuity booking page inside our website, but then I added the question mark appointment type equals 727, etc. All right, so in this incognito window, if I go to /Acuity all, it's gonna have all of these appointments here. But if I go via this link where we have Acuity all question mark appointment type question mark thing, then Acuity widget is actually going to inherit these parameters and which act as a filter. So this means that we do not need to create million booking pages like book for San Francisco and book for New York. We can just create this one single booking page, but we can still create links in any way we like. So this can be anything. These can be a specific appointment type. This can be a specific category of appointment types, such as this delivery/pickup, which actually has 3 different appointment types. So here, if we click this link, then we are filtered to this category of appointment types. So Acuity has this documentation of everything we can do. We can have a specific calendar ID. We can have appointment types, multiple appointment types. These could even be hidden appointment types, not visible to the public. So these could be shared as well. And you could even share a link to a specific date and time of a specific appointment slot, I believe. All right, I'm actually going to go for an advanced example. This is not something that I'm not doing this yet, but this will just give you an idea of what's possible. So on our booking page, we could theoretically have a placeholder Acuity heading thing. We could then have our links have another parameter. So yeah, we could get all fancy and add a script such as this one. And this allows us to create a link where we have the filter and a title we want to be added as a heading. So now when we click this one, it's going to say, it's going to grab this parameter from our link and add it here just for extra clarity. So if we would like to get really fancy, we could have experience like this one, where we have our home page, you have booking page, which is all of the calendars and appointments, but now you can anywhere in your website or in your ads or emails, you can create a link to a sports session where even the heading is has this extra, information, and it's filtered to this view. But again, everything is done inside one web page. So if you want to design something custom, you don't have to go through a million different pages, different booking pages, and make the adjustment there. Yeah, but the title thing is probably not necessary for most websites. But in conclusion, the Squarespace scheduling blocks work. Direct links do not work. Booking buttons, booking bars do not work, but the embedded other in your website works for conversion tracking.